Nandito na kami guys, malapit na kami sa Jollibee. It's a corner. Don't forget where you park your car. Huh?
That's free.
Okay. Malapit na tayo sa Jollibee guys. Finally, nakahanap kami ng parking kasi ang hirap dito parking. So, nandito po tayo sa Queens ngayon. Yun. Nanginginig pa ako dahil sa yung legs ko nanginginig pa. Dito na siya. You called how many times? Oh my goodness. Ito na si Tami. May dala na yan siyang spaghetti Jollibee. Takes forever, ha? Ordering. Waiting. Ha? Parking right here? At meron akong na-meet na Pilipina. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan. Nakalimutan ko kung ano yung pangalan niya. Hindi ko tinanong. Kung sino ka man, taga Brooklyn po.
This one and another one. No, this is.
Taga Brooklyn po siya daw. So, hello taga Brooklyn, Pinoy. Shout out sa iyo. Sabi pa niya, nakita na she saw us fighting.
Fighting.
We're not really fighting. It's just kind of like daily. Tara. Meron na tayong Jollibee. Kakain na tayo nito. Ang ginaw, guys. Maginaw. Ito. Jollibee delivery. And it smells good, honey. It's not gonna be crunchy once we get home. Yep. It's nice. Huh? Car trunk. At dahil 6:30 na kami nakauwi, hindi na crunchy yung chicken. So, nilagay ko lang siya sa air fryer. Thankfully, meron kaming air fryer. So, para naman balik crunchy yung ating manok. Kain tayo! Hi guys! Let's eat guys. Kahit yung asawa natin is busy. So, kakain tayo ng galing tayo guys. Ano na ngayong oras? It is already 8 o'clock na? No, it's 7:30. And then kanina kaming umaga umalis, 10:30, di ba? So, natagalan kami doon sa pinuntahan namin sa kaibigan ni Tami, sa kaibigan ni Bianan. So, ngayon pa natin nakain yung Jollibee. So, nakita ninyo na ano siya, tawag nito, nilagay ko sa air fryer para maging crunchy. Kasi, the whole time, siya, hindi na siya crunchy.
Crunchy the whole time.
Ha?
Crunchy the whole time.
No, it's not. Every time talaga nakakain kami ng Jollibee pang matagalan. Kasi ang layo ng Jollibee, oy. Ang layo ng Jollibee. You don't like it?
Gravy chicken.
Oh, the best.
Not Russ. Did you guys eat already?
Itong mga American, they don't like gravy chicken. But some vlogger, that American, when they try this, wow, chicken and the gravy is you just don't really try, that's all. Because ang gravy kasi dito, ginagamit nila sa mashed potato. No, but not in the chicken. What do you think? It's just chicken.
So I just had chicken. I didn't get the chicken yet.
This is more chicken. And honestly, I can tell you, the Jollibee this is what we get used to. This is what we used to in the Philippines, the small one. But, dahil American, lahat dito guys, malaki. Everything is big over here. Chicken thighs, chicken legs, everything is jumbo. So in the Philippines, we used to like small.
I know you can't. There's no way you do side by side comparisons with Popeyes and this.
I love this. There you go, Popeyes. He always compared this to Popeyes. Popeyes is the best. But Popeyes is good, okay? But Jollibee have their own touch, like different taste that we used to. We grew up with this, panglasang ganito ba? So sila na hindi nila gets Meron talaga silang masabi. And it's nice to go to the Jollibee. Everybody's Filipino. And nung nag-open sila doon, they were busy. Until now, they're busy. Oh my God. When they open, 2 hours wait. 21. In the rain. And then until now, they're so busy. Have your pasta. Your best pasta. Tommy made pasta the other day. It was actually surprisingly really good. And it's not even like usually you cook every day. It's just like, what did you do?
We use clam sauce.
Clam sauce. No, it's not sauce. It's a clam. Clam in the can with the sauce in it. And then they hit it with, ininit niya with ano? Butter, wine, lemon juice, seasoning, dry seasoning. And he hit it. He boiled the pasta. He dropped the pasta in there with clams. Is that what it is? And a little spice. Oh, that one good. You have some left over a little bit. I was surprised. Mm.
Got little flags in here.
That's a spicy sign.
The chicken's playing flag football. You hear from them.
Hmm?
Well, we hear from them how the chicken farm was.
Oh, tomorrow probably. Okay. Bakit lubat na ako guys?
How's the chicken?
Habis natin ulit? Hi guys, so aalis muna kami. Nagdali na kami dito sa Filipino store. And then, I'm hungry. Bumili ako ng pagkain guys dito. And so, magpunta kami sa kabilang tindahan sa, how do you call that store? The other store, Fresh.
Supermarket.
Yeah, it's Market Fresh something. So, pupunta kami doon. Yun. Hindi na ako nakapag-video sa loob. Nagmabadali kasi kami guys. Kasi gusto kong magluto para dinner. And then, I'm planning to make lumpia probably tomorrow. Tonight is, sinigang na baboy. And, so, kailangan kong magmadali. Gutom na din ako. So, hindi na kami nagtagal sa Filipino store. First natin kunin is yung okra. Okra is life, di ba? At saka bok choy para ito may makain si Mister. Masarap yan talagang bok choy na yan. Ito kukunin ko sana ito pero hindi ako nagluluto ng pansit. So, balik natin yan. Balik tayo sa bok choy. Chinese bok choy po ito. Maliit po siya. Ito kinukuha ko dahil po sa ating sinigang. Ang sarap niyan guys, mabango. And of course, Chinese cabbage, salad ni Mister. Guys, ipil-ipil. Naalala ko ito. Tambal po ito sa mga bitokon. Ipil-ipil ito sila. O iwan ko, nakikita ko, naalala ko talaga yung Pilipinas. Ang grabe, ipil-ipil. Charot. Anyway, dito na tayo sa mga karne. Ang ating kukunin first is yung, wag ito kasi mahal-mahal konti. Pero bago tayo kukuha ng ating pork, meron kaming nakikita ang mga dila ng baboy, liver, mga tinai, kahit anik-anik pa sa baboy, di ba? At ito yung gusto ko na pork part ng pork is para siyang ribs na manipis yung buto at saka soft. Ito siya yung kinuha ko para sa ating nilagang, actually sinigang na baboy. Lumabas na kami guys kasi para maaga yung luto natin. Hi guys, akala ko guys nawala na yung wallet ko guys. Akala ko dinala ko andi nahulog. Andito lang pala sa sasakyan. Delikado itong ganito kasi kapag makikita ng ibang tao they break in the car. And I really thought na nahulog kasi yung wallet, yung ano ko, sobrang ano lang siya, sobrang, how do you call this? Shallow. So I really thought I lost my wallet. It's right here, lavo. No one break in the car. It's just right here.
You're lucky.
Guys, ito yung binili ko, spring rolls at saka malunggay dalawa. Food bites, may-ari ng tindahan provides chorizo and also yung bangos. Ito yung sabi ko guys na kinuha ni Tami. Excited ako. Let's see kung anong lasa nito. You know, store in cold dry place. Can you imagine somebody selling pandesal mix? It's easier for us na, di ba? And then nag-add ako ng kasi gustong-gusto ko na po ito. I never used oyster sauce before pero ang sarap niya guys. Bumili din ako kasi magluluto tayo ngayon ng sinigang. And then ito kalamansi. And then bumili tayo ng pang-snacks na Skyflakes. Isa sa mga paborito pag magkasakit sa Pinas. Skyflakes and spring roll. Kasi dalawa din, nalagay ko na sa freezer yung isa. And then, at saka ito din guys, binili ko. How do you call this? Ito sa fresh market, sa regular grocery. At saka ito sa sinigang. Karne guys, ang daming karne. So what is the one that you have over here? The lamb? Do you have the lamb? Do you wanna put this in the regular thing? Han? Guys, ang daming meat, oh. Meat. Karne. Yung sinigangin ko. And then yun siya At saka bumili din siya ng tawag nito. Parang may party talaga itong si Tami. Ito siya para sa lumpia ko. For bukas ko na yan lutuin. And then yun, he bought this big ribs. He's buying more meat. And that's his favorite lamb. I don't like that lamb. I'm just joking. That's my favorite. Actually, my favorite is the other one.
Already stuck together.
Yeah, I think you should just do it like that.
Because they're frozen already. Stuff.
Bago natin itong vlog guys, nagtampo si Mr. Nagtampo rorot kasi palagi kong sinasabihan, okay, send the paperwork to your sister, blah, 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 blah. Ang tagal kasi niya. So, palagi ko siyang sinasabihan, nagtampo guys. So, kaya, ang gagawin lang naman ng asawa is lambingin. Yun lang, magaling tayo dyan, no, diba? So, ito na yung niluluto ko, guys. Pakita natin sa ibang vlog. But ito yun siya para aming dinner. Pagkatapos kong nilambing yung Kigwa Hearts, yun. Thank you, guys. Kita-kits next time.